Hey Spices, so in today's video we are going to be making the simplest dessert, but your friends and family will think that you spent so much time on it. It is a strawberry chocolate ganache bundt cake. It's so easy to make and you will love it. So if you want to know how to make an easy dessert, stay tuned and let's go spice things up. Starting out, you will want a package of strawberry cake and a package of chocolate cake. You will want to make them just like they say on the back of the package. So eggs, oil, water, stir it up until it is done. And you want to do the same thing with the strawberry cake. Eggs, oil, water, stir it up. Next, you will want to get a bundt cake and you'll want to spray it with cooking spray. Just like this, so nothing sticks. Now I go ahead and pour my strawberry cake in first. You can do it the opposite. I just like the results better by putting the strawberry cake at the bottom. So of course I'm just adding the chocolate cake on the top layer. And you just want to go ahead and evenly disperse it so the chocolate is all around, just like this. And now we are going to go ahead and put it in the oven at 350. And we are going to cook it for about 45 minutes. And then when about 45 minutes is done, you want to go ahead and take it out and just check it. And to check it, what I always do is I take a toothpick just like this, and you want to insert it into the center. And if nothing comes off of the toothpick, it is done and you are ready to take out. Of course, it depends on the oven. Sometimes it takes an hour. Now, while your cake is cooling down, we are going to start on the chocolate ganache. So you want to put a pan on medium heat, and we're going to take 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, and we are going to heat it up. Once it is all steamy, we are going to add the semi-sweet chocolate chips. And of course, you want to go ahead and stir your heavy whipping cream. Once it is heated all the way through, you can go ahead and turn off your burner. And once again, of course, just stir this so it doesn't burn. Now we are going to add the semi-sweet chocolate chips. And the same thing, you want to just constantly stir this so your chocolate chips will not burn. And once your chocolate chips have melted into the heavy whipping cream, it is turning into a beautiful ganache. As you can see, it is thickening up. The chocolate chips are melting. And it is looking perfect. Once my cake has cooled down, I can go ahead and turn it over and put it on a plate. And now I'm going to pour the chocolate ganache over the top. You can put as much as you want. I like to put a lot. And then, of course, I went ahead and transferred it to another plate so that it looked a little prettier because I am making it for a party at work. The party went well. They said it was really good, and I forgot to show you guys the inside. So when you did the strawberry and the chocolate, you can get the really cool layers. And you can even, if you want, you can do strawberry, then chocolate, then strawberry, then chocolate. I mean, you can do it so many different ways, but this is just how I do it because it's just easier. And it tastes really good, and you can see the ganache on the top. But yeah, what do you think? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as you can see, super easy recipe, so easy to follow. You will love it, and so will everybody else. Bye, and see you in the next video.